So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best ways that you can increase your show up rate to get it all the way up to 80% or higher. And this is without using any of the traditional tactics that everyone else is talking about, like sending out email or text reminders or calling people before the call to confirm that they're actually going to go ahead and show up for the appointment. Because the reality is that on its own is not enough to get your show up rate to be 80% or higher. And even if you just implement one or two of the things that I'm about to show you, just increasing your show up rate by 5, 10, 15, 20% or more could have a massive result on the amount of sales that you end up closing. So here's behind the scenes of one of our clients that we recently launched a campaign for. And you can see he actually started off, if we look at his show up rate in the first month of launching the campaign, he actually started off with a pretty bad show up rate of only 30%. But then by implementing some of the tweaks that I'm going to show you in this video, he was able to get it up to 46% the next month. And then the month after that to 76%. And then so far in this month, the show up rate is currently at 85%. And on top of that, not only has the show up rate improved, but the amount of appointments he's got has actually increased as well. So if we look at the amount of appointments he's got, in April, he only had 7. Then in May, he had 16. Then in June, 72. And so far in July, he's had 86 appointments. And on top of that, he's not even spending a lot more to get more appointments, because if we look at his cost per appointment, it's actually gone down. So it started out at $541 per appointment, and then it's gone all the way down to now only $64 per appointment on average. And I'm sharing this with you so you can see the potential of what happens when you make small little tweaks and improvements to your campaign over time to help you get better and better results. And just for some context on who this client is, this is a financial advisor that is targeting people that have more than 500K in investable assets. So his cost per appointment right now is currently well above average compared to what you would typically see for a campaign of this nature. So with that in mind, here are the 3 things that you can do to increase your show up rate. Now, the first thing that you can do is all related to the data that you feed Facebook ads when you're running ads. So assuming, of course, that you are running ads, the reality is that not everyone who sees your ad may be a great fit. And the reality is there are some people who will see your ad that are more likely to show up versus others that are less likely to show up. But the problem is Facebook doesn't understand who are the people that are likely to show up and who are the people that are likely to not show up. So what you need to do is find a way to train the algorithm to help you get more appointments with the kind of people that actually show up and are qualified. Now, there's a lot of things that you can do to do this, and I'm going to touch on some of those in a little bit more detail. But just so you know, if you want our help with doing this for you and setting up everything I'm going to go through in this video, you can always just click the link in the description below this video to schedule a call. But just to share with you 2 very important things that you can do when it comes to increasing the show up rate by optimizing the data that Facebook is using to show people your ads. The first thing that you can do is look and see what kind of ads are generating the appointments that are qualified and show up. So one of the things that you'll notice when you're running ads is that if you have a bunch of different ads, not all of those ads may get the same show up rate. But the problem is Facebook doesn't tell you which ads generate the best or the worst show up rate. All Facebook does is tell you how many leads and appointments you've generated in total, but it doesn't actually know which appointments showed up and were qualified. So that's exactly why we built a software in-house to be able to fix this problem. So this software called Appointments OS, this is something that we built for our clients. This allows us to see which ads generate the best appointments and also which ads generate the worst appointments. And then by having that transparency and having that data, we can see if there's an ad that is getting maybe 10 appointments, but only 20% show up, and there's another ad that is getting 5 appointments, but 80% of those show up, then obviously the ad which is getting more appointments that show up is actually the better ad. But without this data, Facebook is just going to optimize your ads for the people that book appointments rather than the people that are qualified and showed up. So using this software, we've been able to see which ads generate the best appointments and which ads generate the worst appointments. And then all we need to do is turn off the ads that generate the worst appointments and leave on the ads that generate the best appointments. Now, the other thing that this software does, which is really cool, is that it also sends the data back to Facebook each time one of our clients gets a qualified appointment that shows up. So we are actually helping to train the Facebook algorithm on who are the right kind of appointments so that Facebook can eventually optimize your campaign, not just for booked appointments or not just for leads, but actually qualified appointments who show up and are looking to work with you. So this on its own has been a game changer for many of our clients. Now, technically, you don't have to be a client. If you want to use this software, you can go to Appointments S and you can sign up directly, even if you're not already a client. But just keep in mind, there is a $2,000 onboarding fee so we can set everything up for your account. However, if you are a client or you're interested in becoming a client, we actually provide a discount to this software only for clients. And on top of that, we also waive the onboarding fee so you save $2,000 when you sign up for the software. So again, if you're interested in learning more about how we can implement this software inside of your account, just click the link in the description of this video to schedule a call. Now, once you're getting the right kind of data sent back to Facebook, that on its own is going to help a lot, but there's still even more you can do to increase the show up rate. So one of the biggest reasons someone is going to show up to the call is if they actually want to show up to the call. So you need to have a way of motivating them and getting them excited to show up for the call. So how do you do that? Well, one of the best ways that you can do that is with content, but it has to be with the right kind of content. And we've found that there's three main things that you can do to increase the probability that someone shows up. The first thing is the type of content that someone sees in your ads. So you pretty much have two options when it comes to running ads. You can either run static image ads or you can run video ads. Now, what we've found is that usually image ads or the static ads, they do tend to get a lower cost per lead and a lower cost per appointment, but often, not always, but often they also generate appointments that are more likely to no-show. Whereas if you run video ads, they are more likely to generate appointments with people that show up, but you're also usually going to pay more per appointment. So for most of our clients, we tend to lean more in favor of the video ads rather than the image ads, just because we prefer quality over quantity, but there's always exceptions to the rules. So for some clients, we've actually found they've done really well with just image ads. For other clients, they've done well with a mixture of both image and video ads. But I'd say for probably the majority of our clients, most of them are seeing the best results in terms of the best quality appointments from video ads primarily. So if your shop rate is low right now, just think about what kind of ads are you using right now? Are they image ads or are they video ads? And if they're image ads, then it might be worth considering recording some video ads to see if that can help improve your show up rate as well. Now, the second piece of content that you can create to help you increase your show up rate is the content that someone sees after they click on an ad and before they schedule a call. So we typically use a video sales letter when someone clicks on the ad to motivate them to want to schedule a call in your calendar to learn more about how you can help them. And a video sales letter is typically a 5 to 10 minute video that goes through the big problem that you can solve for your clients. It goes through what are some alternative solutions to solving this problem. And then it goes through why your solution is better than some of those alternative solutions. And then the idea is if someone likes what they hear in this video, they can then click the button on the page to fill out a short application form to pre-qualify them and then go ahead and schedule a call in your calendar. Now, it is important you do pre-qualify them with an application form before you schedule a call, because again, for me and most of my clients, it's all about quality over quantity. So you want to make sure you're really only getting calls with people that are going to be a good fit. And that application form that they fill out before scheduling a call can be a really good way that you can do that. And then the third piece of content that can do a fantastic job at increasing your show up rate. And in terms of what moves the needle the most, this is probably one of the most influential pieces of content. And this is the content that someone sees after they schedule a call. Because once they schedule a call, they then enter justification mode, which basically means they're going to be justifying to themselves if it is worth taking the time to actually show up for the call or not. So what they see between the time that they schedule a call and the time that they actually show up for the call is super important if you want to increase the chances that they show up and also the chances that they convert on the call as well. So one of the best ways that you can do this is sending them content to consume before the call. And the best type of content that you can send them is going to be YouTube videos. And the reason why YouTube videos work so well is because all they need to do is watch one of your YouTube videos, and then YouTube will start to retarget them with more of your YouTube videos without you having to do any extra work or paying any extra money to do that. It just does that automatically. So what we recommend that you do is if you have a YouTube channel, after they schedule calls, send people a link to your YouTube channel or to one of your YouTube videos on the call confirmation page, which is the page that people go to after they schedule a call. And hopefully they'll go ahead and then watch one of your videos. Now, if they don't watch a video directly from the call confirmation page, maybe they got distracted, or they wasn't able to watch it right there and then, what you can also do on top of that is send them a link to your YouTube videos in either an email or a text message. And this actually brings me on to the third thing that you can do to increase your shop rate, which is called personalized outreach. Now, this is different to just sending out automated text and email reminders. This is you or your sales rep actually going out of their way to send these people a personalized message to start a dialogue before they actually schedule the call. And what I recommend doing is sending them a message that encourages them to reply back. And it could be as simple as just asking them to confirm if this is the correct number that they scheduled a call with. And when they reply back, then you can continue the conversation and send them a link to one of your YouTube videos. And we found since doing this, it has dramatically helped improve the shop rate, not just for our business, but for our clients as well. And then what will happen, which is quite interesting, is sometimes people will ask additional questions before the call. And this is great because it gives you an opportunity to now answer some of the questions or objections that they may have had in the back of their mind, which may have prevented them from actually showing up to the call in the first place. And what's crazy is by doing this, in some cases, I've even been able to close people without even having a sales call. We've just been talking back and forth through text messages, and then we've been able to answer all of their questions, and then they're just ready to go ahead and sign up right away without having the call. Or sometimes they do show up to the call, but they're pretty much ready to start right now, and they're just basically asking, what is the payment link and how do we sign up and what are the next steps? Now, to send out this personalized outreach, if you want to get the best results from it, I do recommend sending out these messages through text and preferably using an iPhone, because if you use an iPhone and people receive a text message from the blue bubble instead of the green bubble, if they are also on an iPhone, it tends to get double the response rate compared to just an automated normal text message. And there's a few reasons for that. Number one is because if it shows up in a blue bubble, people don't perceive that this is an automated text, so they're more likely to reply back. And secondly, if you send out a text like this, you don't have to use opt-out language. In other words, you don't have to say things like text stop to opt out or anything like that. You can just go ahead and send them a message normally because it's a one-to-one communication. So again, this just increases the chances that someone will actually reply back and then continue that conversation with you. Now, if it's just you doing this on your own and you're the one taking all the calls, you can very easily do this for free just by using your iPhone. And if you have a sales team and you have more people that are taking the calls for you, then it might also be worth investing into some software that can do this for you. One of the tools that we use internally is called SendBlue, which allows us to send messages from an iPhone, but it does this using software. So the advantage to that is that I can actually go ahead and see all the different conversations that my different sales reps have had. Whereas if I didn't have the software, I wouldn't really get transparency on what kind of conversations people are having with the prospects that schedule a call. So if right now your show rate is not as high as you would like, maybe it's 20%, 50%, or maybe it's decent at 60 or 70%, but you're still looking for ways to potentially improve it even more, or at the very least help you have better conversations with the people that are showing up for the call, then ask yourself, which one of these things that I've gone through in this video are you not currently doing? And then start implementing it, because every single one of these things will help improve your show up rate a little bit more. And every little helps. An extra 5%, 10%, 15%, 20% or more can have a big difference when it comes to the amount of new clients that you convert every month in your business. Now, if you're watching this and thinking this sounds good, but I'd like someone to either do this all for me or help me do it, then this is exactly what we do every single day. So we essentially build what is called automated appointment systems that are built to fill your calendar up every month with qualified appointments who are your ideal clients. And we do this in three main ways. Number one, we help you build the infrastructure and build the whole system that is designed to help you get leads, appointments, and clients. So that means building the sales funnel, the landing pages, the video sales letter, the follow-up emails, all the different automations that happen behind the scenes, and just essentially build the whole infrastructure so that you can start converting strangers into leads, appointments, and clients. Then once the system is built, we then help you promote it using primarily either meta ads, so that would be Facebook and Instagram ads, or using organic YouTube videos like the video that you're watching right now. And then we actually manage the whole system for you and optimize it for you with the goal of helping you get it converting within the first 30 days. And if for any reason it doesn't convert within the first 30 days, then we provide all of our clients with lifetime support, which means we keep working with you for free until it does. And we do this without you needing to pay any extra for support or pay any extra monthly retainers. And then once it's all up and running and everything's optimized and working well, most of it runs on autopilot. And we do this by using different AI tools and automation tools to help automate everything behind the scenes to make it as easy and hassle-free as possible. And as part of our service, if anything changes in the future, let's say 3, 6, 9, 12 months or more down the line, let's say it was working well and then it stops working for whatever reason, again, because of that lifetime support, we can come in, look at the data, see what happened or what went wrong, and then we can go ahead and help you fix it. And best of all, when we set this up for clients, we give you full ownership and control of the system. So unlike other marketing companies or lead providers where they sell you leads, but they are the ones that control all the assets and they control the ads and the system and everything else, we actually give you full ownership of the system. So essentially, it's your system, it's your assets that you can use to grow your business. So if you'd like to learn more about how that works, just click the button below this video to schedule a call, and we'll be happy to go through how it all works in more detail.